And I mean, based on the fact that I'm next to the quad, in front of the quad, you guys must already know this is the engine. The engine finally came back. So I'm about to just unbox it and really see, you know, what the engine builder did, and see what we're working with, and hopefully get this whole thing back together today. Max, you helping me? Watch yourself, don't get cut. Alright, well, yeah, I can see where he put the new gaskets in and resealed the entire casing. I had to get the transmission redone as well. This guy's having a blast over here with dirty towels. Give me this, Max. Give me this. Yeah, like I said, I had to get the transmission redone as well. And because the transmission gears were all shot due to the engine becoming shot. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much how I sent it to him. All my sensors, a couple tubes. So I'm just gonna bolt it back on the quad, reverse everything that I did before, and hopefully get this thing cranked up today. Alright, let's go. If you have an animal that's a little bit unruly, don't let them come around your projects, because I leave Max alone. He goes underneath the workbench and eats my speaker wire. Now I have to take time out from what I was doing to come and fix my speaker wire, because I don't like working without music. So yeah, little side job. It's all wired back. This guy literally went under the table and chewed this up. Shake my head right now. Just gonna shrink wrap these real quick. I already soldered them up, shrink wrap them, and I'll be back in business. Camera roll. Alright guys, well, I'm I'll say halfway there, but of course I ran into a roadblock. You always kind of run into some issues when you ship something. So right back here, there is a harness plug that goes into the engine. You can see it better from back there. And of course, the guys didn't send my harness back. So got all these wires here. I was wondering, like, why are they blank? Where's the rest? Where's the connectors? And yeah, these 3 wires is from a harness that goes there. So I'm just gonna finish buttoning up everything else that I can around the quad, and then hopefully they could ship that out to me ASAP. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to put them on blast, because I done waited a month and a half for this engine to come back. It doesn't take a month and a half to build an engine. I know that. Should have built it myself. But anyway, let me just continue buttoning up everything else. Got the chain on. The chain is on, but I also need to clasp it. Connect it up properly. But it's coming along. It's coming along. I wish I was going to be able to ride this weekend, but guess not.
Okay, we checked all 4 systems, and there you go on modulation, all 4, and keen with a go. Roger, you're loud and clear here also.
Oh, I have slipped the surly bonds of
What's
earth.
up, guys? As you can see, the quad is about 85% complete. Just got the front on. Yeah, the engine is in. The front is on. The only reason it's not 100% put back together and actually started is because the guy that actually built the engine failed to send back a part of the harness with the engine. So now I gotta wait like another week for the harness to come in the mail, and once that harness comes in the mail, then I'll actually throw the exhaust on and throw that harness on, throw the exhaust on, and then break the engine in. It's a lot easier to put the harness that's missing in with the exhaust off. That's why I didn't put the exhaust on yet. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's coming together good, and I can't wait to get this back, you know, on the road. I got a ton of land of my own, plus some other trails. So I'm gonna have a blast real soon. It's just daylight savings, so you know, now I got longer days. You guys got longer days, more sunlight. So yeah, guys, listen. If you have any recommendations for me or anything, like I said, that you think that anything different I should do with this quad, or any kind of tweaks. I'm new to the whole quad world. I'm not, you know, that inclined about them. So anything you guys can share, please, you know, let me know, because you know, whatever maintenance or power I could crank out of this thing, you know, I'd like to do that. But until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Peace, and please subscribe.